Hi friends, I am your Jagadish with chalam, international life coach, motivational speaker, business mentor and also face reading expert. If you become the owner of these three factories, no one can stop you. Make your mind an ice factory. Stay cool and calm, which helps you to take a right decision. Make your heart a steel factory. Don't get upset with any kind of problems. Take it as a challenge and go all out to achieve what you want. Make your mouth a sugar factory. Talk to the people with more kindness and so sweet so that people won't forget you so easily. Okay? When you become the owner of these three factories, you can become successful. If you accept, please like and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Jagadish v Chalam and make your personality development dreams come true. Download the app now.